Okay, y'all. This one of the saddest videos I ever made and probably would ever make. So I was in charge of keeping this bird alive. Lord have mercy. It's crazy. I did everything that I was supposed to do, and this is where it is. His name was Baby, and my daughter, who is off in college, she took it very well, I guess. And she told me that I have to bury the bird. I can't just throw it away. Sweet Jesus, now I have to bury the bird. She said I can't just throw it away. I gotta put it in a box and get a rock and paint it purple, one of her favorite colors. She said go outside her window and look for an orange rock and bury it next to the orange rock. This is where her pet hamster is buried. I was not expecting to have a whole funeral today, and definitely not expecting to have a whole pet cemetery right outside the window of my daughter's. So I'm going to suspend all posts today. Yeah, this sucks.